Folks, if you run a business, event, or online project, QR codes are everywhere, but creating them can be a real headache. Today, I'll show you a tool that makes them fast, stylish, and trackable. I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today, we're going to do a full review of GetQR.com. This is an amazing platform that helps you create QR codes quickly, customize them, and even track how they perform. In this video, I'll show you how to create your first scan tag and explain all the key features. I'll also walk through pricing and share some real examples for both business and personal use, so stick around. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. So let's jump in and see what this tool is all about. Guys, let's try out GetQR to see how this tool can make your life and your business so much easier. GetQR is an incredibly handy platform that lets you create custom QRs in just minutes. You can choose the type, pick the colors, and decide how you want to download it. In no time, you can even make a minimalist code. There's a 7-day trial available, so you can explore all the features yourself. Folks, let's make our first QR. Usually, it's for a website. I type in the name and click Customize to go to the customization step. Here I can choose a frame, the border that will shape my code. There's a huge variety to pick from, so you can find one that matches your style. Next, I can use color presets to set the color in the frame, including the text. You can also customize the shape of the QR itself using different styles. I personally like the rounded shapes. You can also adjust the corner style, add text like "Scan me," and manually tweak the colors of the code, the frame, and the text. Friends, if you have a logo, you can add it too. I'll add a simple location icon as an example. And just like that, it's finally ready. We can download it immediately. At this stage, the system will prompt you to create an account, which I'll do. They offer a 7-day trial for $1, which I'll take advantage of. Now I can download my QR in different formats. From the dashboard, I can manage all my projects in one place. Mates, let's try creating a QR for a PDF document. I upload, name, and customize it just like before. I'll mark it as a PDF, which is a nice touch. Hit Create Code, and your scan tag is good to go. Everything's ready and can be downloaded in multiple formats. Now anyone can access this PDF anytime. You can also create QRs for WhatsApp, including pre-typed messages. Just type your message, name your code, like customer support link, and in seconds you've got a fully functional QR. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! GetQR also supports vCards, images, videos, app links, and other types of content. For feedback, you just need a feedback link. Videos and images are uploaded like PDFs. For app links, you can add links to the App Store or Google Play. vCards let you create contact cards that anyone can scan and save instantly. Folks, you can even customize the vCard QR with colors, frames, and logos. This gives you a creative, ready-to-use code with your personal information. Next, you can see that the PDF information is here, and when we open it, the full document we created appears. All the QRs work perfectly, and as you can see, it's really convenient. Alright friends, let's wrap this up. GetQR.com is more than just a generator. It's a full toolkit that makes sharing content easy and professional. With dynamic editing, analytics tracking, and plenty of customization options. It's perfect whether you're running a business or organizing an event. The platform keeps your QR codes organized and makes sure everything looks polished. Plus, the $1 7-day trial is a risk-free way to test it out before deciding on a subscription. Friends, whether you're a business owner, event planner, or someone who wants to share content efficiently, GetQR is a tool you can rely on. It saves time, keeps your assets organized, and ensures your codes look polished and professional. If you're excited to try it out, or if you have already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.